It is 6:40 p.m. on a Tuesday evening. You are standing at a gas station counter with a $5 bill in your hand, buying an energy drink and a scratch-off ticket. You don't think twice about it, nobody does. $5 is the exact price of a decision you don't have to care about. You scratch the ticket in the parking lot, get zero, toss it onto your passenger seat, and drive home. By tomorrow morning, you won't even remember it happened. That is the true trap of $5. It is the exact amount of money that vanishes without leaving a single trace. Now keep that $5 bill in your mind, because this is the story of how that exact same $5 every single day for 40 years quietly creates two completely different financial futures for two different people. Imagine the next evening you don't buy the ticket or the drink. Instead, you sit in your car, open a simple investment app, and set up an automatic transfer, $5 a day, into a total stock market index fund. That is roughly $152 a month leaving your account automatically. At the end of year one, your balance reads $1,900. You put in $1,825 of your own cash, and the market added a whopping $75 while you slept. It feels absurd, almost insulting. A coworker laughs when you mention making $75 in a year. But the $75 isn't the point. The invisible habit is. By year 5, at age 30, your account sits at roughly $11,000. You contributed $9,000 and market returns added the rest. Every single dollar of that 11 grand represents an impulse buy, an energy drink, or a lottery ticket you chose not to purchase over 5 years. Instead of sitting in a landfill, that money is sitting in a compound interest engine with your name on it. By year 10, your balance approaches $28,000. You contributed $18,000 and the market gave you nearly $10,000 more just for refusing to flinch. Friends around you will get lured into high-risk hype tokens or get-rich-quick schemes that crash by 90% 3 months later. While others panic sell during bad years or economic recessions, your $5 daily transfer quietly buys the bottom of the market when prices are cheaper than they've been in years. Doing nothing during a market crash turns out to be the rarest skill in finance. By year 15 at age 40, your account balance hits $52,600. Of that total, you only deposit $27,000. For the very first time, your account holds more money in compound growth than the cash you actually fed it. Up to this point, you are pushing a heavy rock uphill $5 at a time. Now the rock is rolling on its own. Your only job is to stay out of its way. By year 25, the account holds $144,000. You have put in $45,000 total across a quarter century, and the market has more than tripled it. While headlines constantly warn that average workers cannot afford retirement, your quiet, boring index fund is earning more in annual interest than your original yearly deposits. You aren't driving a luxury sports car or showing off designer items, but you have built an unbreakable financial wall between your family and economic panic. By year 30, at age 55, your account balance touches $226,000. Out of that total, you manually save $55,000 in pocket change increments over 3 decades. The remaining $171,000 was generated purely by time. In strong market years, your account now makes more money on its own than you could add by doubling your income. The compounding engine is officially bigger than the work required to build it. At age 65, 40 years from the day you skipped that scratch ticket, your account sits at roughly $531,000. Look at those numbers carefully. Over 4 decades of daily $5 deposits, your total out-of-pocket contribution was just $73,000. The remaining $458,000 was pure growth, money you never worked a single shift for, never paid attention to leaving your wallet, and never had to stress over. Your coworker, who bought the scratch-off ticket every day, spent the exact same $73,000 over 40 years. He got a lifetime of instant, temporary pleasures that disappeared the second they were consumed. He spent the exact same money, enjoyed mostly the same life, but walked away with over $500,000 sitting quietly behind you. $5 is too small to notice, which is why almost no one keeps it, and why it quietly dictates everything for the few who do. If this changed how you look at your daily money, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see how to build your next automated income stream, watch the video on your screen right now.